Namaste students, I am Susan Bridget, teacher of English, Dalmia Vidya Mandir Dalmiapuram. Today in this video, we are going to see grade 6 English, prose 3 from the book Honeysuckle. The topic is Taru's Reward. Yes, so now you are seeing the text. Before you read, this is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. He works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and gets some unexpected help. Let us find out how he loves the parents and how he works hard to fulfill their wishes. What are their wishes and what is the help he is going to get unexpectedly. Shall we start? Yes, children. So this is the first paragraph. A young woodcutter named Taru lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. Okay, chop, you can see the meaning there, cut into pieces. So usually this word is known to us. At home also, a mother will chop vegetable. See here, this made him sad, for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. So it's not about the parents asking, but he understands their needs and he will fulfill. For he was a thoughtful son. He knows their needs. Okay, so was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. One evening when Taru and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut. See, it's a poor family. Once again it is proven because they are residing in a hut on a lonely hillside. A strong wind began to blow. It whistled through the cracks of the hut and everyone felt very cold, including Taru. So if it is for Taru, he is a young man. Think about the old people, the father and the mother. They also felt very cold. Suddenly Taru's father said, I wish I had a cup of sake. It would warm me and do my old heart good. Okay, so that is a drink, Japanese drink. This is a Japanese folk tale. So the drink is mentioned, which is very costly also. You can see the meaning whistled through, passed through with the whistling sound. Passed through. Because of the air, it gives the sound, whistle sound. It's about the cracks of the hut. The author is trying to picturize the condition of that hut. That's why the word whistled through, passed through with the whistling sound. Okay, so cracks also, here the meaning is given, narrow gaps or openings. You can understand what will be the condition of the hut if it is so. I wish I had a cup of sake. Sake is a drink. It would warm me and do my old heart good. Okay, you can see this. Sake is a popular Japanese drink. How to pronounce also given clearly here. And third paragraph, this made Taru sadder than ever. For the heart-warming drink called sake was very expensive. Sadder than ever because usually this man, poor Taru, he thinks about the parents. He fulfills his needs. But the father, openly he asked something. And the boy, the son, the woodcutter, is not in a position to afford that drink. So he felt very sad. How do I earn more money? He asked himself. He wanted to make more money. Though he works hard, he is not getting that much. How do I get a little sake for my poor old father? He decided to work harder than before. Okay, so I think I can stop here. Clear, children? Once again, a small recap. Just see here. Woodcutter living with the father and the mother. Can you see? Yes, living with the father and the mother. It's a lonely hillside. His work is chopping wood. He makes little money and he is sad. Okay, he is sad because though he works hard throughout the day, he earns very little. So it makes him sad. As a thoughtful son always thinks about the parents' needs. It's about parents' needs. One day strong wind blows, whistle through cracks of the hut. Tero's father wished to have a cup of sake, which is very expensive, and he decided to work hard. Okay, I'll stop here, children. Let us continue in the next Zoom and also in the next video. Thank you all.